Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're covering the Conditional Show Macro. It lets you show content on a Confluence page only to specific users or groups, without creating separate pages. So you keep one page for everyone, but certain sections appear only when the viewer matches your rules. Conditional Show uses three settings: match using any or all, plus users and groups. Pause. If the viewer matches your conditions, the content shows. If they don't match, the content stays hidden. Open your page and click Edit. Insert the Conditional Show macro where you want the restricted section to appear. First, choose Match Using. Any means show the section if any one rule matches. All means show it only if every rule matches. Now add your rules. Select the users and/or groups who should see this section. Once that's set, we save and test it in view mode. Now, add content to the rich text editor that you want to show to the selected user only. Then publish or update the page. Allowed users see the section. Everyone else won't see it at all. So, one page can serve multiple audiences without duplicating content. That's it for the Conditional Show macro. Use it to reveal role-based steps and internal notes, cleanly and automatically. See you in the next video.